family. Let me get that messy kitchen out the shot. Let's get back into the studio. We ain't even worried about what's going on back there because it's a mess. It's a mess. I need to cook for y'all later. I want to make some lumberjack stew for dinner. So I might film that if I ever even get around to it. I'm still tired. I'm still recuperating. But anyway, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? So, Black Friday 2023 was a disappointment out of this world. However, I got this stack of boxes here. Remember, Thanksgiving happened. I did a little online ordering. Sunday after Thanksgiving, I jumped on a plane to Vegas. Came back the following Thursday sick as a dog. I'm just getting around to opening these packages. And it is Monday. One Monday. The 12th of December. And I'm going to put this up this evening, I guess. I don't know, child. This evening, tomorrow, or something. So I'm trying to, because I don't edit, I'm hiding the address. And I believe this came from Walmart. And I'm already thinking these are items that will be returned. So let's see. I forgot everything I bought y'all. So we gonna see. We gonna show enough see. And I hope since I'm a Walmart member, because this doesn't say Walmart. So I'm hoping since I'm a Walmart member, I just take this stuff back to the store because she don't ship nothing back. I just cannot. But let's see what it is. Let us see. La 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 la. Okay, so these are pajama sets. This is a medium going back because the family that I normally give pajamas to is for me. Kind of hinted that they tired of getting pajamas. This is a large. I may keep it for myself depending on how I like them. Otherwise, it's going back. And this is an extra large. So that was the family set. That's most likely going back. Then I bought me one. This is a extra large. I gotta look. I gotta check out these sizes to see what size I actually wear. But sometimes this stuff can be cut big. And this is another extra large. So at least 2 or 3 of those are going back to Walmart. That's done. Box number 1. Then, this was some Amazon. Don't remember what I ordered. It says pull to open. Where do you pull it? I guess you pull this. Maybe they don't want us reusing their packages anymore, because I definitely will reuse an Amazon box in my eBay shippings. Okay, so I'm not liking that. So let's see. We'll get in there without cutting ourselves. Okay, see what that was saying. Okay, let's see. Oh, so this right here. This right here, put this in your coffee. This is what I've been needing for the last week. Oh my gosh, I add this to the coffee. It's just supposed to be the coffee, but I add this to the coffee. You talking about somebody be on point for the day? This stuff works. I'm supposed to give a friend of mine some. So I will remind myself to take her some next weekend. So here's another box. This is from Walmart also. Let's see what else we got from the Wally world. I hate all this cardboard. They are really, really killing the earth. I think I'll just put them in the fireplace. Put some of it in the fireplace if I can't use it for anything else. Garden, fireplace, all of that. So the queen sheets were like $20. And this is a 4-piece, 100% cotton sheet set. This was for cameraman's bed. And the only thing about it, I need to just start buying him fitted sheets. He won't use flat sheets because he's lazy. I've tried to teach him how to sleep to where you don't have to tear up the whole bed. You can use the flat sheet because you sleep between the sheets. So you can keep your comforter nice and fresh. Homeboy won't do it. I give up. But one thing I won't let him get away with is sleeping on naked mattresses. That's disgusting to me. So I got him an extra set of sheets because you know sheets kind of wear out. And let's see what this one is. So this one here is a big box. So I'm gonna bend down to open it, but you can't see the address. So I only got like 20 more minutes. It's gonna be a long video, but it needs to be short. Okay. This is what I was worried about, me having a coughing fit. So they had Reeboks on sale. They were like $30. So everybody got some Reeboks. I bought these from, I'm guessing, yeah, these are Jacob's, my son's, cameraman's. So these are cute. They were like $35 for Reeboks. Okay. So they're getting wrapped up. Then I bought a pair for me. Let's see how mine's turned out. Let me give me a thumbnail. Oh, these nice. Child, look at that little leopard print and great. She's styling. These cute. They were $35. Did they put a receipt in here? I don't know. I have to go. But I know I only paid like $35. I was like, $100 for Reeboks for the fam? Yeah, the fam gonna get Reeboks for Christmas. So I'm really digging that. Look at these. Walmart doing that thing. I'm so glad they partnered up with some real good brands. So here, and I don't know if he watched, but he grown. He don't believe in no Santa Claus, so whatever. This is for my big bro for Christmas. And I got him some basic blacks. He is a size 13. He's 13. And there he is. Some basic black Reeboks. For some slip resistant, basic black. And they was like $35. $35 for a 13. Come on now. Come on. That was him. So that's Reeboks for the fam from the Walmart on Black Friday. Now that was the deal that made it worth shopping for Black Friday. What did I do with my slicer? So I'm cutting up in another little package. I kind of remember what this is. So this is cameraman's gift to me. I'm gonna wrap it and put it under the tree. But every year I get Just Dance. Now let's not talk about how I ain't even opened the one from last year. Cause the only thing that kind of slowed, well, number one, I ain't do no Just Dance last year. But this year I need to get back into it because it's good exercise, it's good for weight loss. Just Dance 2024, Sam Smith, Billy, Destiny Child Survival. I want to dance with somebody, might be fun. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. I need to do 23 and 24 and new stuff to get me to, back into it and losing weight and all of that. Because my big gift down here to myself, y'all gonna like that. That might spark a whole nother channel. So apparently, even my 16-year-old, well, he's about to be 16 January 8th. We're accepting cash apps in my bio on the channel. We're accepting, if you want to bless little cameraman on his birthday, it's next month. But Max Einstein, James Patterson books, apparently he actually loves these. I found the third book, but again, here we go. Third book, he got to have 1 and 2. So I went and bought him 1 and 2. That's getting wrapped for Christmas. And here is 2. eBay is a good source for books. And there's nothing with giving a book for Christmas. Now, this is a little rough. Make sure you get an excellent used condition if you're getting it for a Christmas gift. But he don't care. He just wanted the book. So this is the first and the second one. And I found the third one at the thrift store. And he was like, I need all 3. You know the drill. So there you go. So that's that. And then we have another Amazon package. I think I know what this is. Okay, so I wanted to give this a try since I like the shroom fuel. I do drink liquid IV. However, I'm going to lay off of those a little bit, not as much, not no everyday thing, because I be feeling little pains in my kidney area. So I don't know. Yeah, if you feeling those same pains, let me know down below, because we might be on to something. We might need to be careful. But again, I did get this one, and I say I'm going to give it a try. And it says de bloat. So we want to see how that works. And here's another Walmart box. Like I say, I don't remember what I bought from Walmart. I do remember the Reeboks. Now that I'm opening, I remember all this stuff, man. But it was like these boxes just sitting here piling up. I need to start wrapping. I put up 2 Christmas trees, the one in my room and the one in cameraman's room. But I haven't put in any more, and there's 3 more to go. But I'm going to at least try to get 2 more up. Because it's already, like I say, the 12. What am I doing? But they're going to stay up to about the 15th at this rate. So this went on sale last week. And because I've been sick, this is a HEPA filter air purifier for my room. Because I've been sick, I wanted this. So this was like $30 some odd. And it went on like sale. So I said, oh, that's perfect. Let me see if I like them. See if I feel the difference in the air with them. And then I might buy, one for another room. So, let me see. How can I get this up? Okay, it's heavy. But we know what it is. And I'm just going to show you the box. Because this was my my Christmas gift to myself. The Nama Juicer. The Nama Juicer. So you already know. They had did I show mine? I hope not. They had a Black Friday sale. And the Nama Juicer. So, I got one. I'm going to make me some cranberry pineapple. I'm going to open it in ginger juice. And I'm going to open it up today or tomorrow. This week. Let's say this week. But that was my big gift to myself. I really wanted to wrap it and leave it under the tree. But I'm ready to use this bad buddy. My $500 on the line. So I want to see how it really works. So I hope you like this video. It's about 13 minutes long, so that's good. I won't drag this other stuff behind him from my all-day shopping spree last week when I felt good enough to go to Yulee and hit that $100 Dollar Tree haul. I'll link that up if you missed it. I'll link it up above. But I got a little more stuff over here. I've been doing hauls in a minute to show that little stuff at little stores. And you'll see more shorts, so subscribe, ring the bell. I do thank you for watching. Did you catch these Reeboks? For the fam? You can buy, Reeboks is an anytime, every time gift. So everybody needs shoes. Reeboks is not a bad shoe. Those not Bobos or anything like that. And mine look cute as all get out. So I hope you like this video. And if you have not watched it, watch Leave the World Behind on Netflix, my preppers. And we need to prep and pray and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. I'll post a short on the garden this week too for you. Because it's still out there. It's still growing. Because I'm the lazy HOA gardener. I ain't out there like that, but it's still food back there. I had a harvest a few days ago, and it's still on the counter. Some green tomatoes in Florida, zone 9A. Green tomatoes, bell peppers, red bell peppers, banana peppers. I had it all in a little harvest. So we still growing. And we love you to life. Happy holidays. Please don't let this season get you down. Plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Prep and pray. Thank you so much for watching. I love you to life. Bye-bye.